So in this case, I'm going to take my Klein solar wire strippers. I'm going to use the 10 stranded setting. I'm going to go ahead and knock a piece off there. I do just enough wire for it to kind of go up into that metal connector, just the hair. Next, I've got my Klein MC4 crimping tool. I'm going to go ahead and drop it in the number 10 die. And I'm going to actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of pinch these together a little bit first so that they fit in the die. I'm going to drop it in my number 10 die. All right, you see that? We're in the die. I'm going to put my wire in, and I'm going to crimp it down. And I'm going to crimp till this thing is all the way shut. And you'll see that is a nice solid connection, nice UL listed connection. It is not coming loose. That is tried and true. Again, this is a female connector, even though it looks like a male connector. So you push it in till you hear that audible click.